Yo scrappers, it's Mark here. It's Monday, May 20th, and look what I found. And you can't see it. As soon as I get in my driveway, I'll show you the back of my truck. I got such a huge scrap find today, I've got to go back. I would have liked to have taken my trailer, but the axle's broken on it. Well, not broken, it's bent. And because it's bent, the tires keep burning out on it, so it's become a safety hazard. So I wanted to talk to you guys, my fellow YouTube friends and scrappers, about how do you pack your vehicle. Given that gas is $1.37, $1.39 here in Northern Ontario with the fucking carbon tax, you know, I guess in one way it is making me pack up my vehicle higher and higher. Not that I ever slacked on that, but it's getting ridiculous how much I'm stacking in my truck. So my next best investment is to get my axle fixed on this trailer. Alright, here's my home, my little scrap yard, my little scrap piece of heaven. Let's see if I can back this beast up without it being able to see behind me. There we go. I think I got it. Can't see my other mirror too well. I can't see the trailer too well. And I know I'm going to need space to unload all this stuff. So I think this is good. So I'm going to unload. Then I got to put a little bit of gas in my truck. And then go back to this scrap find. But check it out. When you pack up your vehicle, do you pack it like this? Tailgate down, 2 barrels at the back, and then a big strap. You got a big aluminum channel thingy. He said it was. Whole bunch of buckets full of nuts, bolts. Okay, now there's some really cool stuff in here. Copper! I already got it ready to go for me. He was moving and he just couldn't take all this shit with him. So I will sort it all. Look at this big copper pipe. Yeah. Wiring. There's a pump on the other side. Look at it. The bucket's about to fall out. All this stuff. I gotta go through it all. It was really an incredible find. Quite pleased. Not sure what that is, a big blower of some sort. Copper wires. Oh. Box of brass. Let's see what's on the other side. Lighting fixture. Oh, I'm going to use this grate. I have a plan for that. Lots of aluminum in here. And I got another full load when I go back. Working pressure washer. I'm going to use that myself. Bucket of stuff. A couple batteries. There's a cast iron stove when I go back. Okay, I'm gonna end this video so that I have 2 hands to unload because I said I'd be 20 minutes unloading and 20 minutes to drive back. Here's the hose for the pressure washer. I got a couple days worth of sorting this stuff, I think. Alright, YouTubers. Scrap you later. I hope you're out scrapping in this rainy weather. Here's the other thing. Scrappers, you gotta work on your manners and your attitude, and when a client asks you to take the whole load, you don't pick through it, because this was the guy's complaint, that he's had 2 guys before that just would come and want just the good copper or whatever, and it's stupid. Take it all. You know, help the guy out. He's moving. He needs to get rid of everything now. Is what happens when you move sometimes and you're going to a smaller place. Money's not the issue for this guy. He had a very nice house. So, you know, scrappers, take the whole fucking load. Dumbasses. I got the whole load. You know how much money this is? Probably $300 right here, $400 maybe. With all that copper, it's hard to tell. And all the brass in there. And I got a cast iron stove when I go back. So guys, don't be stupid. Take the whole load and be nice about it. Peace.